Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to today's video. For those of you who are new, this may be your first time here on my channel, which means you are probably not yet subscribed. Welcome, my name is Tyler with an O, and for those of you who are already subscribed, already my people, and are just returning for another video, welcome on back, welcome, come inside, have a seat. Wow, where is this accent coming from? Have a seat, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So I know you read the title, I know you saw the thumbnail. Yes, I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by my twin sister, Beyonce. Now, you know, it's funny because a lot of people often mistake me for Beyonce. Like, Like, I mean, I see the resemblance, but I don't like see the resemblance. But that's neither here nor there. I'll let you guys be the judge. You can go ahead and leave it down in the comments if you see it or not. I mean, I'm just like literally everywhere I go. Like recently, I was inspired by the most recent pictures that she posted with the whole like Lion King premiere and photo shoot and everything that she did. This one right here. So this is the look. And then this is kind of a closer image that she get. Look, the queen is serving, she is giving us this makeup look. But this is it, and then this is the lip that she had, and it's very pretty, very like, you know, not too much. And then she even gave us an eye, girl. She gave us a cropped eye, so we know what that look was serving. So I'm gonna give my best version of the Beyonce beat. I think this is so classy, so subtle, but it makes such a strong statement. She was wearing gold. I don't have gold, but I have yellow, the next best thing, Miss Things. Maybe by the end of this video, you'll start to see the resemblance to me and my twin sister, B. I call her B for short. So, let's go ahead and get into it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I even like really like contoured the nose, because I have a nose. When Beyonce said Jackson 5 nostrils, that was inspired by me. So yeah, so I wanted to contour my nose because as you can tell, she has a little bit more of a snatcher nose bridge. Like she's giving very much like slender, and then look at that, oh my god, is that me? Face is already done. We're more so focusing on the eye. So as you can see here, just to kind of give it a breakdown, she's serving us a nice little, you know, gold on the lid, brown around the perimeter and in the crease. So let's go ahead and get started with that. For the crease area, I'm gonna break out my Morphe 350M palette, and it's an all matte palette with neutrals and warm tones in it. So to start, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like, as you can tell, these are all more like richer browns. This one's a little bit more on like the cooler tone, almost has like a tinge of like honey green sagey brown in it. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that on like a fluffier brush, and I'm going to lightly start to put that in like our upper crease slash transitional area. This is actually really pretty. If you guys can't tell the difference, then look at this eye because it is a little close to complexion. So this would be the before, and this is the after. That's actually a really, really pretty shade. And I'm really packing it on. I know Beyonce's a little lighter in skin complexion than I. That's a good way to like tell us apart, is I'm the one that's, you know, a little bit darker. I bet she was wearing that new makeup collab with Luminous or whatever for the Lion King. And guess what we're gonna be using today? Not that. I actually let Beyonce borrow my Luminous palette, so she actually has my Lion King makeup. So, you know, when I get that back, let me know, like in the comments, you guys, if you would actually like to see like me kind of redo this or maybe another makeup look with that palette, and I'll be more than happy to like, you know, do that for you guys. So now what we're going to do, and I'm gonna keep showing you guys the photo of the eye just so you can like, you know, get a little taste, get a little idea of where we're going. And then I can notice in the eye, kind of like over here and down below, there's like a little warmth in there, like especially like right here, you can see like there's like a nice like warmness to it. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of a warmer color, nothing too dark, so probably this one right here. And I'm just gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna put it right in the outer crease area, because I don't see it going all the way through the eye. I just see it going like right in this outer corner where the lashes were. Boom. So there we go. We have that down. So this is where things are gonna start to get interesting. Right over here, right over top of the gold, you can see it's like a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna take a darker brown shade, which BTW, no shade, but no shade, but shade. These 7 shades, like I understand and I can see the undertones in this, and this. Like I get it, they're different. But did y'all need some colors or what? I'm gonna go in with this one here, just because it's kind of the lighter, more neutral of the other dark browns, and I'm going to tap it ever so lightly, like just one tap, literally. And I'm going to start to kind of put that in the crease a little bit closer to the center of the eye. And I should probably be using a smaller brush because this is a big brush for a delicate little tiny place. And basically I'm just going like on top of my actual eyeball. And I'm just saying this for people who, like, you know, might have a hard time finding the crease, or if you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm saying the crease. Even if it's like blending on the lid or whatever, I'm actually using that to my advantage because I know I'm putting a color on my eyelids, so I'm blending the color into my lid just to make sure the darkness doesn't go up too high into my crease, because I want to keep that nice gradient going that Beyonce has in the picture. So before, after, we are serving this. All right, so that is the tea on that. And then, I mean, this look was pretty simple. So honestly, what we're gonna do now is just go in with the gold. As you can see here, the gold was focused like in the center, like kind of like near the, what is this, the cornea, the middle part of the eye, and there was still some brown in the inner corner. So she didn't bring that brown all the way to the inside, or the gold all the way to the inside. She just kept it like right here in the middle. To do that, I'm gonna be going into my box of crayons palette from the crayon case, and I'm gonna be using gold. I'm gonna just put it on my finger like so, and that is a very yellow gold, which the gold in her look was a yellow toned gold. So if you look at that, it's pretty much identical, just like me and Beyonce. So yeah, I'm gonna just proceed to put that on the lid. And remember, we're keeping it right in the middle. We're not bringing it too far to the inner corner because she did not bring it too far to the inner corner. All right, so I got that, and I'm just gonna take that brown brush again and just kind of start to blend out the edges of the gold. Okay, and then before we get into the liner, lashes, and mascara of it all, I'm going to take that same brown on our brown brush, and I'm going to just bring that along the bottom lash line as well, because her bottom lash line was dark. Okay, so as far as the eyeliner, she didn't have a wing or anything too much. It was basically just a nice little black line going across the eyelid. So that is what I'm gonna do with a black liquid liner. Use whatever liquid liner that you feel comfortable using. And yeah, just make a black line. Okay, so now that that is on, we're gonna go ahead and go into lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara, but I am gonna show you the lashes that I'm putting on. So the lashes I'm gonna be using are by Morphe. They're from the Eye Traction collection, and they're called Go On and Fake It is what the style is called, I think. It's kind of mimicking the same shape that she had, with it being shorter here in the front and longer at the ends. And then it has like, it's very like dark at the root, and they are very 3D. Mascara is done, so let me pop on the lashes and then we'll continue with the rest of the face. Okay, so we have attached our wings. Okay, these lashes are on. These are some thick lashes. Like, they are so 3D. Like, I hope that you guys can get like all the volume that's in these lashes. But anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the lip. Normally I would go on with highlighter, but if you look at the pictures, Beyonce is not, I don't know how many times I'm gonna show this damn picture. She's looking very matte boots. Okay, she doesn't have any shine on her face at all. So we're just gonna leave that as it is, and then we're gonna move on to the lips. She's wearing like a warm nude glossy lip. So what I'm gonna do is go in with Love Bite by Morphe to line my lips, and her lips are a little more round up top. So I'm not gonna overline, but I'm gonna overline. Okay, so I went ahead and lined, and I kind of like lined over my Cupid's bow. I know you can't tell because it is like, you know, very close to skin tone. But I'm gonna go in now with this Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Unreal. And let me look, you guys, literally, well, you probably can't tell in the tube. Let me put it on, and it literally like a dupe for Beyonce's lips. But it is a gloss, so look it, literally same color. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and seal the deal with some all-nighter setting spray. And the look is served. I mean, honestly, truly, you know, we're just gonna hold it up just for comparison's sake, but like, honestly, like, hold on, let me give the, oh wait, we're looking this way. Look, I'll take a picture right now so you can see like how similar we look. Look.
You guys are just jealous because all of my friends that know me tell me that I remind them of Beyonce, so you can.
It's just ridiculous. Like, it's literally, that's so crazy. But yes, y'all, this is the look. Shout out. Ooh, got some lipstick on my teeth. Shout out to Beyonce's makeup artist. I don't know who did her makeup for this specific look. It may have been Sir John, because I know he does a lot of her makeup. Could have been another artist. Don't know. Didn't get the details. She didn't tell me all of that. But what I do know is that I love this look. It's actually something that is very achievable. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did. And comment down below on what you thought about today's look, about today's video, and what you would like to see here on this channel. And more importantly, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this TylorWithAnO goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace. It's like enough without doing too much, you know? This is really nice. I might have to take a thing or two because normally I don't do my makeup like this. Even like the lip, I wouldn't have paired this warm lip with this neutral eye, but it works. It works.